Bro, what are you over there doing? Playing this Mario Kart on the Switch too, man? Leave me alone. I'm over here cooking, baby. You know I ain't never lost, right? Yeah, so I've heard, but I think you're lying. What was that? Nothing. Hey, I don't mean to be all in your business, bro, but how are you gaming and not even looking at the screen on the Switch 2? Well, you're right. You should stay in your lane, and I'm gonna let that comment slide too. But since you're here, I'm gaming on a 150-inch display. Well, technically it's 152, but hey, who's counting? But bro, what are you looking at? There's no screen. Oh, there's a screen. I'm over here living life and gaming in the future, baby. Man, let me see those. All right, here. Go and see for yourself. Oh, snap. Bro. Why you been holding out on me, man? I wasn't holding back, bro. VITURE just sponsored today's video and sent me those today. Oh, word? Yeah, you not getting these back. You might have to have them send you over another pair. Man, if you don't get me them back, I gotta tell the people to buy them so they can get down on these and step into the future too. What up, squad? So I got a product right here, man, that is gonna take your gaming to a whole new level, man. If you guys either are a Nintendo Switch 2 gamer, a PS5 gamer, a Steam Deck gamer, ROG Ally gaming, handheld gamer, or even if you are just a mobile phone gamer, whether you're on iOS or you Android gang, all right? You're gonna wanna watch this video right here. Every now and then, y'all, I get a chance to be able to check out just some super dope tech products here on the channel, but it is always a bonus when you could blend dope tech as well as my love for gaming all wrapped in one. And with this product right here, y'all, it's doing just that. Let me introduce you, man, to the VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses, as well as the Pro Mobile Dock, as well as the ultimate mobile gaming controller that all works together to be able to take your gaming just into the future, okay? All right, so there's 4 major things, man, that I want to talk about that by the end of it, I feel like you guys are going to be running down to the description section, checking out the links that I have for you guys down there on all of these products. And trust me, no, you're not spending $4,000, you're not spending $3,000, you're not spending $2,000, you're not spending $1,000, and y'all know how I am. I want the dope piece of tech, but I ain't trying to break down my wallet, all right? Catch my drift. First thing, man, that I want to talk about with you guys, which I feel is kind of the main star or the main actor in this right here, y'all, and that is the VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses, which watching content or gaming on these bad boys, you get 4K like ultra sharp 1200p resolution display, and I mean ultra sharp picture quality, which is kind of crazy that they were even able to make these 50% better in sharpness or even crispness for that matter from the previous models that I got right here, which are the VITURE Pro XR glasses, which were already the sharpest XR glasses on the market today. Now, the next thing is the picture quality. CKid, how do they look, as well as how big of a size of screen can you get? To me, y'all, these look damn good whenever I was using them. You get a 152-inch display, which is literally 15% larger than the previous VITURE Pro model. And let me tell you, man, I didn't know that I needed bigger.
That's what she said.
Hey, relax, bro. Listen, anyway, man, I didn't know that I wanted a larger display until I actually tried these. And I mean, if you guys can have a bigger display, I mean, why not? Like, the bigger the better, baby. To me, man, what set these apart from others in the XR glasses industry or space was instantly when I noticed just like the overall design of them, and I noticed this translucent design that they went with the Luma Pro here being the first of its kind with having dynamic lighting effects that you guys can see right here, which to me is pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. And it also includes an electrochromic film that's gonna allow you guys to adjust the tint levels so that way you can really immerse yourself into whatever piece of content that you guys want to consume, or if you still want to be somewhat aware of your surroundings, you have that option as well. And the big one for me, since you guys can see, I wear prescription glasses all the time, is the myopia adjustments that you guys can make where I can adjust the lens power to correct for different viewing distances by turning these small little dials that you see here up top to be able to lock in that perfect viewing distance for me, since I'm a nearsighted person, to see the crispy sharpness in display without wearing my normal glasses, which I'm not gonna lie to y'all, your boy needs some new glasses, but hey, we just gonna roll with the ones we got, and we gonna keep these rolling. But anyway, I digress. It has flexible arms, it has tilt adjustable temples. Now, when I was first trying these out, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man, I kept doing this over and over and over again. Don't judge me, y'all, man. I know I got a problem over here. And last, y'all, 2 sizes for different IPDs, which is gonna help with the difference between the center of your pupils for optimal vision as well as comfort. And speaking of comfort, man, I know you guys may be wondering, CKid, are they comfortable? Like, can you wear them all day? I only had them on for a few seconds. I was just about to get to that, man. Stay over there. Yes, they are crazy comfortable, man. I do recommend, though, that you guys take some time to adjust the tempos up or down to be able to find the perfect fit for you. But yes, I have worn these for several hours, y'all, and I've had zero fatigue with these. And this is coming from somebody who's been forced to wear glasses every day since I was 8 years old, all right? So I know a little something. Now, you are getting 1000 nit peak brightness. You're getting 52 degrees of FOV, Harman audio for playback. All right, so now that you guys know pretty much everything about the glasses that you guys are gonna wanna scoop up, let me go ahead and show you guys how they work all together with these 2 products right here and how it can actually transform your gaming experience into something into the future. So with the Pro Mobile Dock here, man, this is what's gonna allow you guys to be able to connect this up to your Nintendo Switch and just other gaming devices to experience that 152-inch display, giving you that ultra vivid screen on the go with your Nintendo Switch 2 and just other, again, gaming devices. Now, it is officially the first ever on-the-go XR experience on the Switch 2. So if you're someone that's traveling, instead of gaming on a smaller 7.9-inch LCD display that the Switch 2 gives you, take that now and just upgrade yourself and enjoy the game that you guys want to play on the Switch 2, now on a 152-inch display. So to set this up, y'all, it's super easy to get up and running. All you guys have to do is take the USB-C cable. You're going to plug one end into the Switch 2, and you're going to plug the other end into the VITURE Pro mobile docking station, which has the Switch blue as well as the red colors on here, which I thought was actually a nice touch. Then you're going to take the cable from your Luma Pro XR glasses and you're going to plug them right into the glasses icon USB-C port that is also here on the Pro mobile dock as well. And just like that, man, you are up and running with any Switch 2 game that you guys have in your library. So dope, man. Now, y'all know me, man. I'm still undefeated in that Mario Kart. That haven't changed at all. Just now, I can enjoy my wins on a 152-inch display on the go. Now, you guys also, man, you can plug this into something like a Steam Deck. You can also plug this into an RLG Ally gaming handheld device as well. And if you guys look really closely, man, you guys can see that they have 2 ports here for XR glasses, which means, yes, it can support co-op gaming as well. So if you guys are out there and you got friends and they can pull out their VITURE XR glasses and y'all can go ahead and get it popping, man, competitively, or y'all can link up and play together, all right? Trust me, y'all, once you experience this, ain't no going back, all right? Now, while we're still on the gaming here, I have to make sure that I include my mobile gaming people out there as well, man, which, if you guys didn't know, fun fact, mobile gaming is actually the world's #1 form of gaming on the planet. So yeah, they kind of running it, my PlayStation people. Now, the next product here, man, that integrates perfectly with the Luma Pro XR glasses is the collaboration with VITURE and 8BADOO with their ultimate mobile gaming controller. Now, you're probably like, well, what makes this ultimate? Well, y'all, this is the world's first XR compatible mobile controller that's going to allow you guys to be able to play as well as access your AAA gaming titles using remote play with PlayStation or Xbox or other platforms. You also have access to your cloud gaming or just your favorite mobile games that you guys have downloaded. Connecting this up, y'all, is similar to what we did with the Pro Mobile docking station here. You just take the USB-C in and you're just going to plug it directly into the controller here, and then you're going to connect the magnetic end to the glasses, and just like that, man, you in there. Now, the controller in itself has refined bumpers and a D-pad, which has been recalibrated for a smooth but more of a clicky kind of tactile feel. Now, you also get USB connectivity for the smartphone as well as Hall effect joysticks, which is something that I cannot stress enough. It's so important in the gaming industry, man. I hate the fact that other companies don't do it, but it is what it is. But that's going to give you more precision as well as more sensitivity for your movements, and you don't have to worry about stick drift, all right? And last, you also get to be able to remap your buttons to further customize your experience, and you can customize each stick for higher precision control, and you can adjust the triggers here to be able to act faster for your liking using the ultimate software, which I'll go ahead and put a link to that down in the description section below. Now, the next thing I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about, and that is the immersive 3D experience, which is a game changer, y'all. And this is the reason why I saved this part for later in the video, man, because It is just dope, all right? Now, this is the world's first real-time 2D to 3D conversion, meaning it can literally take your regular 2D content that you like to watch or play and turn it into 3D. This includes family videos, photos, Netflix using Mac or Windows, even YouTube. So if you want to watch your boy here in 3D, you can do that with these bad boys right here, all right? It's kind of trippy at first, but it's dope at the same time. But my favorite thing that took things just into the future, y'all, and that is gaming in 3D, which works virtually on any 2D game that is powered by high-end devices. So how it works is you just plug your phone right up to it, or you can use the USB-C XR charging adapter to be able to connect it up here as well, to be able to pass through charging to that device. And then you can launch open the Space Walker app, which you guys can find in the iOS App Store or Android's Google Play Store. Then you can launch something like, just say, for example, you want to open up YouTube to be able to watch one of my videos. Then you can go ahead and select the video, and then you're going to see an option that says open in player, and then you can select immersive 3D. And now using AI and all of its magic is going to turn that 2D video into 3D, which is insane, y'all. Or if you guys just want a quick way of doing it, you can also long press on the Luma Pro XR glasses and it's going to switch into 3D mode as well. And no, it ain't just video, man. You can also do the same with your normal family photos, your normal family videos as well, which is just super dope, man. And also within the Spacewalker app, using your Mac computer or Windows computer or even just your mobile device, you can create your very own portable multi-screen workstation that's going to help you guys just be that much more productive in your day. And you guys have seen my setup here before, man. Y'all already know I love multi-displays. I got two 32-inch ultra wides over here and got another 32-inch OLED over there for gaming. And listen, y'all, hey, the more screens, the better, all right? Now, as promised, man, I told you all that I would talk to you about who I personally think these products are for. Now, in my opinion, I would say that these are for those people out there that are gaming lovers. They love to watch content, and you are into the advancement of tech and just not afraid to try something new and experience, again, gaming as well as watching content, whether it's YouTube, Netflix content, in just a completely different view and just completely different perspective. Also, that person that just loves large, ultra sharp displays is a person who is on the go mostly, that likes to be mobile as well, but still loves enjoying their content in a major way. And it's gonna be for that person who wants to experience what XR glasses just have to offer. And I would say, if you are that person, VITURE is gonna be the company for you that I would 100% go with, as I feel like they just got every base covered with the products that they offer, right? They got gaming covered, they got watching normal content covered, and then on top of that, we going 3D with the immersive space, which I think is dope. And most importantly, innovation, y'all, which in my opinion is something that I feel is somewhat lacking in the tech space. And every once in a while, you get a dope company like VITURE that comes along and say, you know what, CKid, hold my beer, bro, and comes out with something that is just exciting to be able to experience and just immerse yourself in, all right? So again, man, shout out to VITURE for just creating such a dope product like this and also sponsoring today's video. And again, y'all, if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll have a link to everything that I showed you guys in this video down in the description section below. Real quick, before I leave, I don't even know if I'm really supposed to say this. We're gonna do it anyway, all right? But they got something else special coming out later this year, man, that I can't speak on just yet. All I'm gonna say is it's a beast, all right? I'll see y'all in the next one. Happy gaming, squad. We out.